Welcome to How-FixIT, and in this video I will show you how to clean in the speaker in iPhone 7 Plus. What tools you will need to disassemble the iPhone 7 Plus? A screwdriver set, plastic mediator, tweezers, suction cup for removing display, adhesive tape for restore water protection. In the description under the video I left link where you can buy all necessary tools and replacement parts for iPhone 7 Plus. Turn off the iPhone and remove SIM card tray. Remove two screws near charging port with Pinterlock 0.8mm screwdriver. Take a hairdryer and heat the display surface for 1 or 2 minutes. Set the suction cup near home button and pull up the ring. Next, take the plastic mediator and begin to disconnect the display from the case of iPhone. On the top of display inside there are two latches that attach to the case, so you need to pull the display down and unstick the display from top. The case of iPhone 7 Plus opens like a book, that is, open the display to the right. Now take a tri-wing screwdriver and remove all screws on the lower metal panel and 3 screws on the upper metal panel. I think you have already watched enough video on how to clean the iPhone 7 Plus speaker grill from the outside, but this does not always solve this problem. In this video I will show you how to clean all the dirt from the ear speaker. First, disconnect the battery cable from the mainboard and after disconnect 3 display cables. To clean the iPhone 7 Plus ear speaker you need to take a few steps. Unscrew the 5 screws and remove the metal holder. Now remove the ear speaker. As you can see, dirt has accumulated on ear speaker. To clean, take a soft brush and wipe the grill on the ear speaker. Now the speaker looks okay. But the cleaning is not finished, you still need to clean the grill on the display module. To clean the grill on display, you can use medical alcohol if the grill heavy clogged with dirt. So I think with the cleaning of the ear speaker we have finished it, and now let's begin to reassemble the iPhone. Install the ear speaker and put the metal holder on top. Fasten 5 screws. Now you can connect the display and check how the speaker works. Please note that the first 3 display cables are connected and lastly the battery cable. If the ear speaker works much better, you can begin to the final stage of assembly with restoration of water resistance. If cleaning did not help and speaker is quiet, then it remains only to replace the ear speaker. In the description under the video I left link where to buy a new speaker for iPhone 7 Plus. Remove the adhesive tape from the back cover of iPhone. Now take a cotton swab and medical or isopropyl alcohol and wipe the iPhone back cover from the remains of glue. Now take a waterproof adhesive tape and put it on the iPhone case. Using this adhesive tape, you restore resistance to dust and water. First, connect 3 display cables to mainboard and then connect the battery cable. Install metal panels and fasten all screws. Turn the display over and push it to the back cover. Fasten last 2 screws near charging connector. Install the SIM card and turn on the iPhone. I hope this video was useful to you and helps repair your iPhone 7 Plus. See you soon on How-FixIT.